Welcome to our orange juice factory. Today, I'll take you on a journey to see exactly how fresh, delicious orange juice is made.
Bay 4 is clear now. Back it up slowly.
Copy that, Bay 4.
Okay, this one passes.
How about this one? Looks fine to me.
Yes, the color is vibrant.
This one is too soft. Put it in the reject bin.
Okay, making sure that the good ones keep moving.
Make sure you check the underside of those.
Okay, got it. Did you see the game last night?
Look at this one, completely soft.
Yeah, toss it. We need to keep the speed up though.
We have a bottleneck on line 3. Adjust the flow rate by 10%.
Confirmed. The accuracy is stabilizing now.
The brush speed is steady now. Let's raise the temperature slightly.
Okay, I'm increasing the water pressure.
Pressure's unstable on line 4. See the fluctuation here.
Confirmed. Initiating corrective sequence. Levels should normalize shortly.
Ensure the volume is exact for the quality test.
Yes, I am being very careful with this batch.
Check the refractometer readings on the mango sample.
Brix levels are consistent, but the acidity is slightly higher.
All right, let's move on to the chromatography.
The pressure is stabilizing now.
Good. Let's increase the flow rate by 5%.
Watch the alignment on the seals.
Got it. Torquing to spec now.
Is this the Valencia orange batch?
Yes, lot number 45B.
The flow rate on sector gamma is stabilizing right at the threshold.
Yes, and the particle count confirms the efficiency is holding steady.
Pasteurization ensures the safety and extends the shelf life of our orange juice.
We're seeing a slight drop in pressure here. Increasing the setting by 5 kPa.
It's back in range.
Is the temperature holding steady now?
Yes, right within the parameters. We are good to go. We have a temperature spike in zone 4. Adjust the airflow.
Airflow adjusted. Parameters are stabilizing now. Keep the core temperature steady.
The seal on this one looks slightly off.
Yeah.
Let me check the batch temperature logs.
Pallet 24 is clear.
Copy that. Bring the next one to line 3.
This label is slightly off center on this batch.
I see it. Pull those 3 from the line for review.
Set that stack down right there. Roger that.
This one seems slightly underfilled.
The weight is within tolerance, though. Check the bricks level.
I already did, it's fine.
Thank you for joining us on this journey through our orange juice production process. Every bottle you enjoy is the result of dedication, care, and teamwork.